Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for Pisces sa linggong to, of course, from January 15 to January 21, 2024. Okay, alamin natin kung ano yung mga gabay, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces or mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito. Okay? Reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. And ang lahat ng energies ay pwede pong vice versa. Feminine, masculine, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood. Or yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, lalo na konektado sa linggong to. Take nyo lang basta mag-resonate. Pag hindi, wag po natin ipilit, okay? So, alamin natin kung yung mga gabay mensahe ng tarot cards o posibleng mangyari for Pisces from January 15 to 21, 2024. Okay? Ano po? Ayun. So, there's the Aries or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na masculine, man. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw ay isang masculine or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na masculine. Pero again, wala po tayong gender specific. Okay? So, there's a major role of this masculine energy for this week. Okay? It's either ikaw to Pisces na you're stepping up. Okay? You're leading. You're doing something na ginagawa mostly ng masculine. Okay? Or pwedeng there is someone na man or kakilala mo na masculine. It's either this is your father, this is your husband, this is your boyfriend, this is your boss. Pwede din. Okay? Or kakilala mong merong masculine energy. And malaki yung role niya dito sa ating reading ngayon for this week. Ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa linggong ito? Ano pa po ang message po for Pisces sa linggong ito? Ito, so, 8 of Cups. Pwedeng ito yung taong parang tinalikuran mo, Pisces. Pero, sobrang hirap yung paglalakad mo palayo sa taong to. Okay? Kasi, kumbaga, hawak niya yung puso mo, hawak niya yung emosyon mo. Kasi nakikita niyo, punong-puno, marami pa yung cups dito. And cups always, kung sinasabi, is all about emotions. It's all about love. And nakikita niyo, meron taong naglalakad palayo. So, it's either this is you, Pisces, na naglalakad palayo from this person, or ito yung taong to na naglakad palayo sa'yo. Okay? And it is so hard. It is so hard for this person or for you to walk away. Or pwedeng there is a distance between the both of you, physically or emotionally. And, oh wow! 7 of Cups and 4 of Wands, Pisces. There's a reconciliation between the both of you, Pisces, sa linggong to. Okay? Maganda yung ano niya dito. Kasi, parang, sa nararamdaman ko, with this 7 of Cups right here, mostly nasa isipan ka ng taong to, napapaniginipan ka pwede ng taong to, or ikaw na naginip sa taong to. Basta mo, kumbaga nasa isip ka, heavy sa taong to. Or ikaw mismo, Pisces, nag-iisip ka sa masculine energy na nandito. Okay? Pero there is a 4 of Wands. And also, pwedeng nakakakita ka ng angel numbers na 1111 or synchronicity ng different kinds of angel numbers. And kung meron ka mang nakikita na repeating numbers, Pisces, you can look it into online and alamin natin kung ano yung mga meaning nun kasi iba-iba po yun, okay? So, bottom of the deck, there's a Page of Wands. There is something, a message coming from this person, and ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng foundation. A new foundation, a strong bond foundation for this person. Nakikita nyo nakahawak siya sa wands na nandito, and itong wand na to is isa to dito. Okay, and sa wands na to, pwedeng merong kasalan, possible na kasalan, pwedeng there's a second chance, punong-puno ng prutas, fulfillment, okay? Before ako nag-start ng reading, bigla ako nasabi yung word na wish fulfillment. Okay, Pisces. So, before ako nag-shuffle, before ako nag-ready sa ating reading ngayon, bigla ako siyang nasabi, wish fulfillment. So, this is the biggest sign for you na there is something na matagal mong hinihintay or pwedeng inaasam-asam mo. Okay, there's something on your head and in your heart regarding with this the Emperor or ikaw mismo, Pisces, ikaw si the Emperor and kumbaga mabibigyan ng kaliwanagan, kaayusan, kasiyahan, kung ano man tong dinidil mo ngayon. Okay? And it is hard for you to walk away for this person or nakikita nyo, meron tayo ditong moon. It may happen nung parang new moon ba yun or full moon. Okay? So, there is something na distance, there is something na parang paglayo, separated with this person, pero pareho kayong connected pareho kayo spiritually connected with this person, okay, kasi meron tayo ditong 7 of Cups, and napapansin nyo, from this the Emperor, galing sa 8 of Cups na nandito na medyo alam mo yun, nakakalungkot, medyo mabigat yung energy, pababa siya sa 7 of Cups, okay? Kumbaga, nababawasan yung bigat ng energy niyo sa inyong dalawa and napunta siya sa 4 of Wands. Okay? And this 4 of Wands represents something as marriage, happiness, celebrations, wish fulfillment, okay? Yun. And there's a big chance of a message coming from this person or kumbaga, masinsinang usapan, mahabang pag-uusap, and maraming plano. Okay? Maraming plano for this foundation. Okay? Kasi nakatutok siya dito sa wands na nandito. Okay? And nakatingin siya, napapansin niya, nakatingin siya dito sa mga leaves. Okay? So, you or this person wants to have a new beginning. Okay? It may be your past person to, which is this one, okay? Or this is a new person for you, Pisces. Okay, so kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino po itong dinidil nyo for this week. It may resonate within love, Pisces, or pwede ding sa career, okay? Pwede ding sa family member, or kahit saan po na pwedeng magtugma po sa sitwasyon nyo po. Case-to-case basis po tayo dito, okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words kung sino or ano po yung konektado sa reading natin ngayon for this week. Okay, so, merong pangarap, kamag-anak, city, okay, asa na yun? Okay, letter Y, travel, money, anak. Okay, so meron ka mag-anak, anak, pwedeng magkakaanak kayo, pwedeng meron kayong anak, okay, or this person have a, alam mo yun, connection sa relatives, okay, letter R, Y, mabait, barko, there's a travel, money, barko, pwede, social media, abroad, okay, so pwedeng you're physically distanced with this person, airplane, meron pa. Pasensya na po sa mga background noises, Pisces. There's a letter X, kulot. It's either ikaw ay kulot or siya. Katrabaho. Okay. Friend. Bahay. Letter U. New person. Pwedeng this is a new person. And masipag. Okay. So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang ating reading for this week. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!